Hello everyone, if you're getting this error, cannot find script file C drive, then we have a small and fast fix for it. Please ignore my desktop junks. So for doing that, in your start, type schedule. You will find task scheduler there. Open it. After it loads, you can make it wide, your screen. Go to task scheduler library. You will see here tiny tasks, ready, and we have a lot of tasks here. You will find tiny task, which is that one, the error which we have. So right click on it, click on disable, refresh, delete. So far your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching.